Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S22 Ultra that needs a new charging port because this thing right here is broken. So first thing we're gonna do is try to test what's wrong with this charging ports specifically. As you can see here in this position, it's not charging. When you turn around the charger and plug it in, now it's charging. So it's working, but not all the time. So this part can fail, of course, as you plug the charger in and out. It can get loose and some pins can get damaged, or the board itself is failing over time. So the way we address this issue is to remove the board that's holding on to the charging port and the SIM card tray. So we're gonna remove the back cover on this S22 Ultra. So typically we feature broken displays or broken back cover on this channel, but right now it's something pretty minor but still very important. You can see that this back cover is in good condition, so we're gonna try to keep it intact, not to crack the back cover, because this one is made up of glass. Now we are almost done. We're gonna put some IPA on the last side here, and now it's off. We can now see the internal components, and we're gonna focus our attention on the bottom area where the charging port is located. There's a considerable number of screws. We're gonna remove the SIM card tray, and we're gonna lift the cover for the daughter board. There's a lot of connections that goes through this very small board, and we'll zoom in to see how David will remove this part. There's at least 3 connectors going to this board, and now it's out. We can just do a direct swap with a replacement part. This is specifically for this model, the S22 Ultra. You also have variants of this model depending on where you are, like if you're from North America or South Korea or Asia. Gonna screw this back in, reconnect everything. We're not gonna close up the device yet. We're still gonna test if the charging port is working, and of course the SIM card tray, because it's on this part as well. We're gonna reconnect everything. These flex cables, put in the SIM card. Gonna push it in. Make sure everything is fitted snugly. Push it back in, and let's plug in the charger. When we plug in the charger, it's kind of working right away. That's a good thing, and the charging port itself is very tight. You can see here it's taking a while, but showing us a continuous flow of electricity. We turn around the charger, and same thing. Now it's more consistent, more predictable, so the client can use their smartphone with the peace of mind that it will not blow up on them. Because when you don't replace your failing charging port, your phone will have inconsistent flow of electricity going to the battery, which can cause some meltdown and unpredictable behavior such as overheating, and of course it can also damage other components inside the smartphone. So it's important that you fix this issue right away. So if you have the same issue, you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre or your local repair service technician. It's a very easy fix. As you can see here, you can also do this yourself, but make sure you have the proper tools, experience, and of course guidance through online tutorials or guidance from a professional like David here. This one is all good. We'll give it back to the client, and I hope you learned something and enjoy this video. We'll see you again next time. Like and subscribe. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.